We'll guide you through how to use Zapier for email automation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button at the top right of the screen. This will start the process of setting up a new automation. Next, you need to choose a trigger app. This is the app that will initiate the automation. For email automation, you might choose Gmail or Outlook, depending on your email provider. Select the app and then choose a specific trigger event, like New Email or New Email Matching Search. After selecting the trigger, Zapier will prompt you to connect your email account by signing in and granting necessary permissions. Once connected, you can test the trigger to ensure Zapier can access your emails correctly. Now, you need to set up the action that follows the trigger. Click on Add Action and choose an app that will complete the action. For example, you might choose to add new contacts to a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, or send a notification via Slack. Select the action app, then specify the action event, like Create Spreadsheet Row or Send Message. Connect the action app by signing in, and grant permissions if required. Then, map the data from the email to the fields in your chosen action app. This could involve selecting which email fields, like sender or subject, should populate specific spreadsheet columns or message fields. Once you have configured the action, test it to make sure everything works as expected. If the test is successful, give your Zap a name and turn it on. Your automation is now live, and emails matching your trigger criteria will automatically perform the designated action. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.